So, your doctor told you that you have a large kidney stone, and you might have heard this term thrown around, PCNL. It sounds pretty technical, I know, but it just stands for Percutaneous Nephrolithotomy, a really modern, minimally invasive surgery. And that's what we're here to do today, break down exactly what that means step by step. Look, hearing you need surgery for anything can be a lot to take in, and a complicated name like that definitely doesn't help. But our whole goal here is to demystify this entire process for you, to give you a clear, straightforward guide so you know exactly what's coming. So let's start by decoding that name. Okay, let's just tackle the name head on. Percutaneous, that's a fancy way of saying through the skin. Simple enough. And nephrolithotomy? Well, that's just a mashup of old Greek words for kidney, stone, and removal. So when you put it all together, it literally just means removing a kidney stone through the skin. See? Not nearly as intimidating when you put it that way. Here's our game plan for this explainer. First, we're going to talk about why this is the procedure your doctor recommended. Then we'll dive into what the surgery actually is. We'll walk through it step by step, take a really honest look at the risks and rewards, and then, of course, we'll cover what your recovery will look like. So, first up, why PCNL? I mean, not every kidney stone needs this kind of surgery. So let's get into the specific reasons a doctor would choose this particular option for you. You know, this is really the gold standard in a few key situations. We're talking about stones that are just too big to pass on their own, usually bigger than 2 centimeters. It's also the best choice for these really complex staghorn stones, which, like the name suggests, branch out and fill up the inside of the kidney. And sometimes it's used when other treatments, like shockwave therapy, just haven't worked. And this is where you really see why PCNL is such a game changer. It has pretty much replaced old-school open surgery for these cases. Just look at the difference. A tiny 1 centimeter incision versus a big one. Way less pain afterward, you're in the hospital for a shorter time, and you're back to your normal life so much faster. It's just a huge leap forward. Okay, so we know why it's used, but how does it actually work? What's really going on in there during the surgery? Let's get into the basic concept. And it all starts with this tiny number. The incision is only about 1 centimeter. Seriously, think about that. It's like a keyhole. This little opening is the entire reason we can call this a minimally invasive procedure. So, the whole idea is pretty genius. Through that little keyhole, the surgeon creates a direct tunnel right from the skin on your back straight into the kidney where that stone is hiding. This gives them a perfectly clear path to see it, break it up, and get all the pieces out. It's simple, but incredibly effective. All right, let's pull back the curtain on the main event. What actually happens when you're in the operating room? We're going to walk through the entire thing, step by step from your perspective. The whole thing usually takes about 2 to 4 hours. First, and most importantly, you'll be completely asleep under general anesthesia, so you won't feel a thing. Then, the surgeon makes that small incision in your back. Next, they guide a protective sleeve through it, creating that tunnel we talked about. After that, a tiny camera goes in so they can get a perfect view of the stone. Then, using a special tool like a laser, they'll break the stone into tiny pieces and remove them. And finally, they might place a small temporary tube to make sure everything drains properly while your kidney heals. Okay, with any surgery, you have to talk about the results. What are the benefits and what are the potential risks? So let's get into a balanced, honest look at what you can expect from PCNL. Let's start with the big one, the success rate. In a single surgery, PCNL gets rid of the entire stone somewhere between 75 and 98% of the time. That is an incredibly high number, especially when you're dealing with those large, complicated stones that are so hard to treat otherwise. So what does that high success rate really mean for you? Well, it means the problem gets solved and you can move on. Plus, because it's minimally invasive, it means a lot less pain after the fact, less time stuck in a hospital bed, and getting back to your work, your family, and your life much, much faster. Now, of course, while PCNL is incredibly safe, it is still surgery, and it's important to know about the potential risks. Things like bleeding can happen, although needing a blood transfusion is pretty rare. Infection is also a possibility, or, very uncommonly, an injury to a nearby organ. There's also a small chance that not all of the stone can be removed. But again, all of these outcomes are rare. All right, surgery's over, you did it. So, what happens next? Let's map out that final part of the journey, your recovery, and getting back to 100%. So here's a pretty typical timeline. You can expect to be in the hospital for just a day or two so they can keep an eye on you. If you have a desk job, you could be back at work within a week. Full recovery usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks. And during that time, the big rule is no heavy lifting. Think nothing heavier than a gallon of milk. Then about a month or so later, you'll have a follow-up with your doctor to make sure everything's healed up perfectly. And here's something I really want you to hear, so you don't panic if you see it. It is totally, completely normal to have some blood in your urine for a week or two after surgery. It's just a sign that your body is healing, so don't be alarmed. Finally, and this is super important, you need to know when to pick up the phone and call your doctor. If you get a fever, see a lot of bleeding from the incision, pass dark or really thick clots in your urine, or if your pain gets worse instead of better, you need to make that call. Knowing these signs makes you a partner in your own recovery. At the end of the day, any surgery is a big deal, but PCNL is a huge step forward. It's an incredibly effective way to treat large kidney stones that offers a faster, safer, and much less painful path back to feeling great. We really hope this guide has helped you feel more informed and confident about the journey ahead.